Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove watermarks from AI-generated videos and improve their overall quality using UniConverter 17. We'll start with the new AI Video Watermark Remover that can easily remove watermarks from AI-generated clips. After that, I'll walk you through how to use the AI Video Enhancer to bring out facial details, make your anime clips look crystal clear, and give your footage a professional, high-quality finish. You can download UniConverter 17 from their official website. I've added the download link in the description, and you can try it for free. Alright, once you've downloaded and installed it, the interface will look like this. It offers 30 AI tools for audio, video, and images. Let's start with the video tools. I'm going to click on Video, and then select Video Watermark Remover. After that, click on the plus button and upload the video from which you want to remove the watermark. For example, I'm uploading this video, where you can see the Sora 2 watermark appearing in 3 different spots. Now, let's see how we can remove it using UniConverter 17. You'll get 2 models to choose from, the standard model, which is the older one, and the AI model for the best results. We'll select the AI model, and switch from basic to quality mode, for even better output. Next, select the areas where the watermark appears, just draw a box around each watermark. Let's select the second area where watermark appears, and now let's select the third area where watermark appears. Once you've marked all the watermark areas, you can either export the video directly to remove the watermarks, or click on Preview if you want to see how it looks before exporting. So here, we'll click on Preview, and you'll notice the watermark removal process starts right away. You just have to wait a few seconds. UniConverter 17 is much faster now and completes any task within seconds. And that's it, the watermarks are gone. Let's play the video and see the final output. You can see it, all the watermarks are gone, like they were never there. It cleaned them up so flawlessly that you'd never guess the video was ever edited. The surface looks smooth, untouched, and completely natural. Once you're done, if you want to save your video on your desktop, just hit Export, pick your folder, and your video's saved and ready to go. In UniConverter 17, you also get a batch processing option, which lets you remove watermarks from multiple videos at once. Just click on the plus button, select all the videos you want, and import them. For example, I'm importing 3 videos here. But you can add more if you want. Next, select the area where the watermark appears. Then click on Apply to All, and confirm by clicking Yes. Now, the watermark area will be automatically applied to all your videos. As you can see, the same area has been auto-selected on the second and third videos as well. After that, click Export, and the watermark removal process will begin. In just a few seconds, all your videos will be completely free of watermarks. And as you can see here, every watermark has been removed perfectly. You can't even tell there was one before. UniConverter 17 is truly amazing. Its AI watermark remover doesn't just erase marks, it intelligently rebuilds the background behind them, keeping every frame crystal clear and natural. Now that we've checked out the watermark remover, how can we forget UniConverter's Video Enhancer? This tool has it all, from boosting video quality and enhancing anime clips to improving facial details, reducing noise, and even adding extra frames for smoother motion. Basically, it can turn any low-quality video into something crystal clear and super detailed. To use the Video Enhancer, just head over to the Video section. You'll see the Video Enhancer option right there. It comes with some powerful tools like Quality Restoration, Anime Enhancement, Face Enhancement, Video Denoise, and Frame Interpolation. In this video, we're gonna test out the Face Enhancement feature. It's super easy. Just hit the plus icon and upload any video you want to turn into a sharp, crystal clear, high-quality version. So, for this demo, I'm using this close-up video because it'll help us clearly see how powerful the Face Enhancement feature really is. After uploading your clip, just select Face Enhancement, and here you can also choose the output resolution, up to 2K or even 4K. I'll go with 2K for now. Now click on Preview, and let UniConverter do its magic. Within a few seconds, you'll see a crystal clear upgrade. Look at this. The face looks much more defined, and even the entire video has become smoother and more detailed. It's not just face enhancement. It's complete video enhancement in just one click. Honestly, from my own experience, if you're trying to make your videos look sharper and more detailed, definitely go with face enhancement. It really delivers better results than any other option in UniConverter 17. You can try the other features too, but make sure you try face enhancement at least once. The results will genuinely surprise you. Alright, now let me show you one more super cool AI feature inside UniConverter 17, and trust me, this one's a game changer for content creators. It's called the Subtitles editor. Though honestly, I'd rename it to Auto Subtitles Generator, because it literally creates subtitles for you in seconds. Here's how it works, just click on it and upload any video where you want subtitles. For example, I'm uploading this short story video. If I play it now, you'll notice no subtitles at all.
He sat on a tree, saying, "No one loves me. Everyone hates me. I'd rather die than live like this."
With UniConverter, adding them is just 2 clicks away. Doing it manually, that'd take at least 2 hours for a short video like this. So, click on Auto Subtitles Generator, and you'll get some quick settings. Choose your source language or let it auto-detect. And if you want subtitles in another language, go ahead. There are tons of options. At the end, you'll see the AI Subtitles Reflow option. If you enable it, the AI will automatically fix any grammar or spacing mistakes in your subtitles. Once you hit Generate, the subtitles start processing, and believe me, in just 10 seconds, they're ready. Super fast, and incredibly accurate. You can easily edit your subtitles. Just click on any timestamp or line you want to adjust. Plus, you can customize their style under the Appearance section, change the position top, bottom, left, right, or center, choose a preset, update color, size, and font. Everything. After you're done, simply click Export, confirm it once more, and your video will be ready with perfectly timed subtitles. No need to manually type anything. Finally, click Save to choose where you want your video saved. As you can see here, our video has been exported. Let's play it, and check out the results.
Once upon a time, a raven was very unhappy with his life. He sat on a tree, saying, "No one loves me. Everyone hates me. I'd rather die than live like this." A monk sitting under the tree heard him and said, "My friend, learn to be happy with what you have." But the raven didn't understand. So the monk said, "Tell me, what do you want to be?" "I'll make you that," the raven replied. "Please make me a swan."
See how UniConverter added those subtitles so fast and so perfectly. Just a few seconds, and done. This feature is seriously a lifesaver for creators. Now, let's move on to the final AI tool in UniConverter 17, Text-to-Speech. It converts your text into natural-sounding voice in just a few clicks. So, you'll find the Text-to-Speech tool under the Audio section. Just click on it, and it'll open up in a new window. Here, you'll see tons of super realistic and natural voices to choose from. There are about 58 voices available, and you can use any of them for your content. You can even clone your own voice, or filter voices depending on what kind of project you're working on. For example, if you want a voice that fits social media videos, let's try out Emma's voice.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Sounds really smooth, right? And for male voices, Liam's voice sounds great too.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Now, if you want to turn any text into speech, just type or paste your text right here in the box, hit preview, and you'll hear the voice instantly.
Wondershare UniConverter 17 offers 30 AI tools in one powerful software for all your video and audio needs.
Let's select Liam's voice and generate the speech, and just listen to how real and human-like it sounds.
Wondershare UniConverter 17 offers 30 AI tools in one powerful software for all your video and audio needs.
That's how simple and powerful this text-to-speech feature is. Plus, there are plenty of other tools waiting for you inside UniConverter 17. I've dropped the download link in the description. Go ahead, download it, and give it a try. Thanks for watching.